Umentri badikmi yak Tnad Animal Husbandry and Veterinary Īatreilang ulaong bakadon ke Īatreilang hapeneng ke Tnad kibor Pulit bat kibor sipai da kaput lani ki BSF pan Khanglad ya kam Khaïi tu Masi shari Bangladesh. Uba hek da papan pau jing sokia halo ki kaipot kubor ba yo kami ki Masi batmu Khaïi tu shari Bangladesh watla ka jingdawa haka jela ka jurba ulaong bagi BSF kila persang kat bala ban penking ya kan kam. Kalong kabadon kam ban Khanglad ya kan kam Khaïi tu Masi namar happen biang ya ka jingdon kam kinong bam do Masi haka jela laong uba hek.
We are concerned is because we need for our own consumptions. As much as possible, we have to be self-sufficient for our states. So then for the cattle smuggling going to Bangladesh and all, the veterinary department, the police, then the BSF, they are doing the duty to ensure that there is no cattle smuggling to outside the country. Whatever I have received, the report is very rarest report. Once in some time, not every now and then or every regular matters. No. I'm telling you, the Meghalaya is a huge bordering with Bangladesh. Who is doing this job, we don't know. But whoever, our duty is to protect it. To see the police, the veterinary department and the BSF are working in tandem to ensure that not a single smuggling will be taking place.
Prevent this.
See, the DC is the chairman in this committee in all the districts. So it is the responsibility with the deputy commissioner because he is the chairman of the Act, the Animal Cruelty Act, something like that, yes.